Okay, today we're going to do direct substitution, which is going to lead us into something brand new, which is synthetic substitution. I'd copy the problem down, substitute x equals 2, see if you can come up with the correct answer. This is going to be 2 cubed order of operations a minus 12 is negative 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, you can check that on your calculator. Problem number 2. Okay, significantly a little bit harder. Higher exponents. 2 times 3 to the 4th minus 5 times 3 to the 3rd plus 8. Okay, 3 to the 4th is going to be 81. 3 to the 3rd is 27. 2 times 81. 5 times 27. Final answer is 23. Okay, so you should be able to do that direct substitution from before. Now it's going to lead us into something brand new called synthetic substitution. All right, here's what we do with synthetic substitution. It's a much easier way of doing substitution. A little tricky in the beginning. We're going to take these. Now they have to be written in descending order of exponents. So x squared, x to the first, constant on the back. We're going to take the coefficients, and we're going to write down the coefficients up here. Then we're going to take the number that we are substituting over here. First number comes down, it's written as 3. Then we take 2 times 3, which is 6, and we write it right under here underneath the 2. 2 plus 6 is going to be 8. We then multiply 2 times 8, which is going to be 16. Negative 3 plus 16 is 13. So when x equals 2, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 13. Okay, problem number 4 is a little different than the previous one. Problem number 4, when you're looking at the exponents, you are missing an x to the second power. So I'm going to write this out where I put a term in for x to the second power. The reason I'm doing that is because when you're doing synthetic substitution, okay, you need to have a placeholder for each value. Now this is the example number 2 from before, so we know what our answer is when we're all done. All right, so I'm going to bring this down here. 2, multiply 3 times 2, which is 6. Negative 5 plus 6 is positive 1. Then we do 3 times the 1, puts us 3 here. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Negative 4 plus 9 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 8 plus 15 is 23. So when x is 3, y was 23. That's the same answer we got when we did number 2 earlier with direct substitution. Okay, but this is an easier one. I never had to take 3 to the 4th power, 3 to the 3rd power, and deal with those really big numbers. All right, one more example. Okay, problem number 5. We already have everything in descending order. However, as you can tell, I'm missing something for the 4th power, so I'm going to put a placeholder in there. I have a 3 for the 3rd power. I'm missing something for the 2nd power. I have a 2 for the 1st power. I have my constant on the back. Put the 3 out front. First term comes down, negative 2. Then we multiply 3 times negative 2 is Negative 6. 0 plus negative 6 is negative 6. 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. 3 plus negative 18 is negative 15. 3 times negative 15 is negative 45. 0 plus negative 45 is negative 45. 3 times negative 45 is negative 135. 2 plus negative 135 is negative 133. 3 times negative 133 is negative 399. Negative 7 minus 399 is negative 406. When x equals 3, y is equal to negative 406. Check it on the calculator. Check it with direct substitution. But that was pretty easy. Saves us a lot of time with the direct substitution. Okay, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed our lesson. See you on the next video.